Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Monday. Hope you guys have a fabulous weekend and ready for a fabulous cracking week. So today we are going to start to decorate the Far East journals that we made last week. Completely, the plan was to make one thick one, ended up having two small ones, but never mind. So on that video, I will put the video of these linked down below, and of course at the end of the video as well, which I show you how to create these junk journals, how to put it together, how to stitch it, and all of that. So today, very simple project. I'm going to use my Far East is the newest digital collection I have designed not long ago, a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to play with some, I think they're on the end, yes. To be fair, I'm just giving you a quick flip through all the pages that you get. It's a very large kit. You've got tons of different papers, and that's the papers we're gonna play with today. So we're gonna play with this to make the envelopes, and we're gonna use some of these washi tapes and the 2 pages with the pocket. Okay, so you get tons of pages. So let me put this one side. Or you already printed these pages here on a thicker cardstock. I think it was, I want to say 200 GSM. It's very thick. So love this. So you get one big one that you can use it together by simply folding it, and I'll show you in just a second. And then you get 2 small ones, but within that you can use these as a singular pocket. Okay, so that could be one pocket, and you just slice things inside, which I'm going to do. But you can use it as a one big pocket like has been designed by simply fold it and glue them together on the back, and then you just slice your ephemera. Okay, but I will use them separately. Okay, and these as well, these, and I will cut the side pockets and the ephemera as well. Okay, that will look, this will be cute hidden paper clips, but we would do it we'll do another video. So let me cut everything and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let me show you. I've been cutting and and inking for a good 20-30 minutes, probably a bit less. It always feels longer when you do repetitive things. So that's the two pockets which I was telling you before. So you can use them as a one by simply gluing the tabs together as a floating pocket. Okay, so it looks like a little box, and then you just slice things inside, or in this case what we're going to do today, we will use them as on the page, and then you just put your ephemera inside. That's the envelope. So we've got a scallop envelope. Oh, I forgot to ink the top. So when you fold the paper, because this is on thick cardstock, I literally inked everything. See there as well, I inked there for 2 reasons: to make it look a bit more vintagey and to get rid of that crack. Okay, so that's the 2 small envelopes, and that's the 4 square pockets with a little notch at the end. I got these 2, this will be super cute stamps. We might do another video how to make stamps. I've done 900 millions of videos on my channel on how to make stamps, but we're gonna make some more in another video. So today it's all about this ephemera. So let me show you how to put things together. So this is the envelope. Okay, so when you do it up, you will see there is a base, and then that's the top. Okay, so what you simply do now, I think I might gonna use some glue, because I think my double side tape, it might be a bit too thick. So I'm just gonna use a teeny tiny bit of glue just on this side and on this side. So you need to hold for a few seconds. And then you have a super cute envelope. You can either, probably a bit too big, but you could do something like that, but it's super cute. So we're gonna do the same on the other one. So you put the base first, as I call it, and then we just put the glue on the two sides. Press it down. And there you have it. I love this super cute envelope. I mean, I have printed on a thick cardstock, but they will be fine on simply copy paper. I'm just gonna leave my punch on them so it dries. And this is a scallop. Okay, so the scallop envelope, so you get the two tabs, the lid, the you know, the bottom which you lift it up, and then the lid. Now you can either slide it inside, but because it's really thick, I'm gonna end up creasing it, so I don't want to crease it. So, but what you can do, and I'll show you in just a second, this can be a standalone envelope, or you can glue this on a page, which I'm gonna show you in just a sec. Let me just get the envelope done. And this is why when I design my digital papers, I always give you some more ephemera or envelope or tags or pockets, because I want you guys to be able to create journals with the same theme. So within, for example, this one is called Love from the Far East. So the journals that we made, they will be very Asian inspired, from the Far East inspired. I had a blue butterfly journal when everything was blue with blue butterflies. There is a pretty in pink, but everything is pink. So you get pink pockets, pink butterflies, pink pocket, pink envelope, etc., tags, etc., etc. So when I design my papers, you always get everything that you need very coordinated. Okay, so this can be, of course, as an envelope like that when it dries out properly, but I'm rushing. So if you glue the scallop on your page, you got a flap. Okay, so you could either punch a knock in there, and that would be, you know, you can put things in there, glue this side on your page, and you get a flap pocket envelope if you wish. Okay, that's another one. Then that's it, and then we're gonna glue. So we got two journals, so I'm gonna do one with you guys and I'll do the rest. So each of the journal will have one of these and two of those. Okay, not sure what am I gonna do with the envelope yet, but we're probably gonna put it on the journal. So I think let's start with this. We're going to put it here because we've got a page, so it's all blend. Should I put it? Yeah, let's put it on the side. Okay, so just gonna put some glue there, there, and here. Trying to be quick. Okay, so keep it pressed down for a few seconds. You know it dries. Okay, so what I like to do then with my dirty bone folder that needs cleaning desperately, I go inside and I press it down. So I know that the two sides and the bottom are glued to the page. Okay. And that you have it. And then, oopsie, and then we can either put one of the envelopes inside, okay, because I designed them to fit inside the pocket. So we're gonna leave one like that, and then we have 2 square pockets. So I want to use them, let's have a look, on a page where it's quite blank. Oh, here, so I think that will look quite nice like that with a flap. Yeah, so just gonna put some glue on each side of the tab there, and then when we're gonna design the tags, we're gonna make some tags. We can put tags inside, or other ephemera, or anything that you guys want to put. I'm conscious that the camera might be shaking. And again, same thing with my dirty bond folder. Go inside to make sure that everything sticks together. And we've got one more. Let's have a look what we can put her. Oh, here we got this blank. What am I going to do? Because I want to cover these, I'm just going to get my double side tape. Where is my... Oopsie. So that's now glued there, and we can put things in here. So we've got another pocket, but simply glue down this side of the paper. We now got another pocket, and then we're just going to put the pocket here. So press it down, and because they are thicker cardstock, they will last for a very, very long time. And you can put things that are a bit heavier inside. Okay, so that's it guys for today. I might put the envelope in here. I'm gonna put a little envelope in here. So if I go back to the first one we made, because I really like this page, what I thought we'd do, going to use, this is my, what I call it, probably use this one, the washi tape page. This was a freebie, but not long ago. So just gonna simply cut this side, this two. I'm going to cut them. Just gonna use my trimmer so they look like washi tape. This is what I said to you, when I design my digitals, you can use them as you pleased. You can chop them, you can cut them. So what I thought we would do guys, we're gonna use, yeah, this border there. I think it will make a really nice page border. There. What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. This video might be a bit long, but gonna help it. There. So that's a really nice border, and I want to do the same in here, but I do like this bit. I don't want to cover. Oh, let's put it this way. That's nice. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So just gonna chop it about here. I'm gonna keep these strips because we will use them another time. And then we're gonna go, guys, because otherwise this video will be way too long. Way too long. And we're gonna do these journals together, so you know, bit by bit we do a video a week. I think next week we're gonna do the cover. Yeah, that's nice. I do like this bit. I should put it on top. Should put it on top. No, I think it's nice like that. No, I think I'm overdoing it now. Right, going to go, guys. So a super quick, well, ish video on how to use the envelopes and the ephemera from the kit. Yeah, look, we already decorate the beginning of the journal. So that's it, guys. Everything is linked down below. I can't wait to do more pages together, but we do it bit by bit because there's no rush. So probably spend all the month of August to do some yeah, some project to decorate the journal. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps me with the journey here on YouTube. Everything is listed down below if you guys wish to get the kit, and watch out at the end of the video on how to make the journal. So I will share it at the end. I will see you on Wednesday for the August VIP lounge papers. We've got some exciting project, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.